for National County Sports Meet, affirming its steadfast commitment to sports development in Liberia. The County Meet tournament commenced on Sunday, April 14, simultaneously across four counties for the preliminary rounds, inaugurated by the esteemed Youth and Sports Minister, Councillor Ko Bangalu, Mr. Emeka Ogbaji, Chief Financial Officer and Deputy Managing Director of APM Terminals, expresses enthusiasm for the continued partnership through support of the National County Sports Meet, which serves as a vital platform for nurturing young talent and fostering unity across Liberia. Building on last year's successful sponsorship, APM Terminal has increased its contribution to that's 20,000 United States dollars, extending support not only to football but also to basketball teams, underscoring the company's deep-rooted commitment to empowering young youth, that's Liberian youth rather, and promoting athletic excellence across multiple sports disciplines. Organized by the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the Ministry of Internal Affairs, the county sports meet holds immense significance as it provides young athletes with an opportunity to showcase their skills and compete at a national level. Through this event, APM Terminals aims to instill a sense of pride and belonging among participants while promoting a healthy spirit of competition. Meanwhile, as the tournament progresses, APM Terminal says it eagerly anticipates witnessing the talent, dedication, and sportsmanship of Liberian athletes, confident in the positive impact of sports on the nation's development and unity. The